Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2823. Today's date is 3rd of August 2023. 23. Okay, yeah. Today's date is 3rd of August 2023. It's almost like a night at 9:43 p.m. Okay, so last time, like yesterday, I didn't make any Artifact episode. Day before that, I didn't really make any Artifact episode. Why? Let's talk about day before yesterday. Why I didn't really make any Artifact episode. Day before yesterday, I was uh, I don't know. I just don't want to record Artifact episode. Yeah, sometimes I feel like that. Ki don't want to record. Like basically, what is it? Like this thing. Ki it's a rain. Okay, the main issues is the rain. Okay, and and like I don't know. Yeah, day before yesterday, na I was actually day before yesterday. Yeah, I was actually okay. What exactly happened? Actually day before yesterday I record Artifact episode. I know that. Day before yesterday I record Artifact episode. Yesterday I didn't make a day before. Like right now I can't go back. Okay, like I can't go back that where it last record. So, but I'm pretty sure that day before yesterday I haven't really recorded Artifact episode. Why? Because of that. Ki Because of what? Wait, let me just stretch my mind that what exactly did. Okay, let's just एक minute एक बार मैं YouTube studio. Let me check my YouTube studio. That last video that I uploaded as 2 days ago. Okay, 2 days ago. That means like 1st August and 3rd August. Yeah. So basically, at the 1st August 2023, I haven't really record artifact episode because of that. Ki after the workout, I published my video. Okay, and after I published the video, I wanted to like I don't really understand. Like basically, now this gameplay, the car simulator, this gameplay is actually very difficult to edit. Okay, why it's difficult to edit? Because the length of the gameplay is almost like a 3 hours of long. Okay, I have to extract important data from 3 hours to uh, 3 hours to 19 minute. Sorry, 18 minute. Like I extract data from 3 hours to 19 minute. Okay, I was actually editing the entire day. Okay, and day before that, I was actually editing the entire day. Okay, and I was still editing. Some of the parts is still remaining. Okay, and 1st August 2023 I edited my video, and before the workout I complete the edit my video, export and upload the video. All right, and then I published the video after the workout, and after the workout I just sit in front of my desk and I publish my video, title, thumbnail, everything. And then after that I just feel a little bit of tired. Okay, because it's just like from last 2-3 days I was actually a bit more focused on the editing things and so many things. Okay, so I was like what the fuck. Okay, so I was not really sure. I was just like, I'm just so stressed. Okay, so I just decided that ki let's watch movie. Yeah, I watch a movie on that day. Which movie I watch? uh, the movie name is kind of like a something. It's a boy girl thing. It's a movie. It's a romantic movie. I don't know. So I watched the movie. Okay, I watched two movie at that like a uh, wait, let me remind. Okay, right now I'm reminding things now. What is exactly? I watch the two movies. First movie is an animated movie, a Super Pet. Yeah, Super Pet. Okay, the movie that I watch, and then after that, I was watching uh, it's a boy girl thing. I don't know why I watched this movie. It's not even in my list, but it's just like uh best rom-com movie, so I just watched this movie. Okay. And while like during this process, I realized that it's too much time. Okay, so at 3 a.m. Okay, I just watched this movie till 2:30 a.m. night, and then I went to the sleep, and I went to sleep at 2:30 a.m. And when went to the sleep, I don't know, I can't, like, I don't know, I'm not getting any sleep. It just like, I don't know, just like I am trying to sleep, but no, like uh yeah, also 1st August I went to, okay, yeah, I get it what exactly happened. Okay, okay, 1st August I went to the I went to Ambuda na. I went to Ambuda, I came, and then I upload my video, and during the upload I watch so many movies. Okay, and then, okay, this is what happened. Okay, yeah, I was actually watching a movie, and then I forgot to record artifact episode. So this is what happened day before yesterday. And let's talk about yesterday. Okay, yesterday is a kind of like a day that I will remember in my entire life, and I wanted to remember in my entire life. Okay, and because of yesterday I was actually sound like that, kind of a little bit sardi and everything. Okay, let's talk about it. Started from day before yesterday that I wasn't able to sleep. Day before yesterday I wasn't able to sleep. I don't know why, but I can't able to sleep. Okay, why? Because I just bitterly horny. Okay, I don't know why, but like I am super horny from last couple of days. Okay, like basically my average gap duration, my average gap, average masturbation gap is 5 days to 3 days. Means I'm masturbating after every 3 day, averagely. So I just like, what the fuck is going on, dude? यार हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ? I don't know. Okay, so I was like, just like, I don't know. I just can't control it. Okay, because of this horny thing, day before yesterday, I wasn't able to sleep. Okay, so what does I did? It's a kind of like something really horrible thing that I did. I wish I could not, but I did it. Okay, it's done. Okay, yeah. What is that thing? Okay, like basically is that masturbation, when masturbation, like how we want it to be a kind of like a, when you want it to be kind of like a masturbation, like a, what is the situation that you want it to be, like when you watch something really nudity, something really, something that ki soft porn thing. Okay, you are kind of like a you kind of like a something really uh triggered. You are triggered by this porn thing, and these are the things are actually want to watch porn. Okay, so sometimes porn is kind of like a good. Okay, I'm talking about from kind of like a, there are so many ways that you can release your stress sex hormone. Okay, porn is one of them. Okay, 100 out of 90 people are watch porn to get those stress hormone. Okay, get rid of those sex things. Okay, then there is another method. Okay, porn game. Okay, and then there is, after that there is a lot of thing, that sex chat and then sex videos and lot of things. Okay, it's count as a 1 or 2% of does people does that. 93% of people watch porn. Okay, then kind of like a 5% of people do porn game. Like there are so many ways, like a porn game, porn comics, porn things like that, all those things. Okay, so what exactly happened? Why? So I choose to play porn game. What is exactly porn game and why I choose that? Okay, let me tell you. So porn game is just like, it's a regular porn, but it's kind of like a something really animated character. Okay, so there is a character. Okay, kind of like a something really, but looks really realistic. Okay, and they are performing porn scene. Okay, but with the story and everything. Okay, what exactly happened with the character in the porn movie? Story is giving you almost like a 2 or 3%, and rest of the thing is porn. So basically, as a viewer, not connect that much to the character, everything. We just actually seen that everything. So in the porn, I was actually watch porn a lot, and then I realized that कि I don't really connect the story. Okay, I just feel like that कि हाँ हिला दिया खत्म कर दिया. Just like I am horny now. I just wanted to feel it that horny, but it doesn't feel like that. Okay, तो वो porn से उतना मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था मुझे. So I decided that कि let's play porn game. Okay, and okay, I explained to you what is exactly porn game. Okay, now let's talk about that कि why I let's talk about this the porn game. Like this is not good. Okay, porn is something really good than porn game, because porn में क्या होता है, porn videos में क्या होता है, आप कितना porn देखोगे, 2 मिनट, 3 मिनट, 10 मिनट, आधा घंटा, चलो 1 घंटा. ओके, आप 1 घंटा porn देखोगे. ओके, उसके बाद आपको हो जाएगा ना, आप स्ट्रेस रिलीज कर दोगे कि हाँ, क्योंकि एक्चुअली पॉन होता ही कितना है. ओके, उसमें स्टोरी होती है, और स्टोरी में करीब 60% या 70% अबव तो उसमें पॉन ही होता है. ओके, तो आप स्टोरी से उतना ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड नहीं फील करते हैं. आपको सीधा एक्शन से मतलब है, और वो तुमको एक्शन ही प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ऑलराइट, बट यू डोंट रियली कनेक्ट विद द कैरेक्टर, यू डोंट रियली कनेक्ट विद द स्टोरी. पॉन गेम यही काम करता है. पॉन गेम में आपको भरपूर स्टोरी दिखाई दे. इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली, एक तरह से मूवी फॉर्मेट में होता है, बट मूवी एक तरह से 3 घंटे की होती है, बट पॉन गेम ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10 या 12 या 15 घंटों की होती है. और 10-15 घंटों में आपको करीब 60% स्टोरी दिखाई जाती है, एंड 30% आर पॉन. So basically, these are story are kind of like a leads to the porn scene. Okay, ऐसा होता है. Like basically, let me kind of like something really telling you. मुझे let me explain to you what exactly happened. Okay, in porn movies, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक लड़का होती है, एक लड़की होती है. ओके, सो बेसिकली इज दैट कि देर इज़ अ गर्ल इन अ नेबरहुड. ओके, उस लड़का लड़की को देखता है, उसको काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है, वो लड़का लड़की के घर जाता है फॉर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रीज़न. लड़की भी उसको देख के एकदम इम्प्रेस हो जाती है, एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड किसिंग, एंड देन स्टोरी स्टार्ट, एक्शन स्टार्ट. बट इन रियलिटी इट डजंट हैपन. या इन रियलिटी डजंट लाइक, बेसिकली अगर आपके नेबर में कोई लड़की रहती है, ओके, तो आप जाओगे कौन से रीज़न से, यही ढूंढने में. आपको रीज़न भी चाहिए ना. चलो, आपको वो रीज़न मिल गया, वो गए, जाने के बाद लड़की से बात करेंगे, बात करने के बाद इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ 99.99% दैट यू विल नॉट गेट सेक्स. सकते हो. ओके, सो यू हैव अ कंप्लीट कंट्रोल ऑफ टाइम, यू हैव कंप्लीट कंट्रोल ऑफ कैरेक्टर. तो चलो पॉन गेम बनाते हैं. So basically, there is a pawn game. Like there are multiples of pawn game. Okay, but there is a one pawn game named Being a Dick. Okay, basically, I play this game almost like a year ago. September. I still remember that day. 15 September. I started playing this game. Sorry, 10 September to 15 September. 5 days. I was actually playing this pawn game, and I was masturbating for every day. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 days. Okay, and that is a really not good thing. Okay, वो बहुत ही आई डोंट नो यार, वो 5 दिन मेरे ज़िंदगी में बहुत ही गंदे गए. Whatever. But what I like about this game is that कि this game tells a story. इस गेम में क्या होता है, इस गेम में आप एक लड़का एक लड़की एक आपके शेजारी आपके नेबरहुड में रहती है, तो ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट चांस में आप उसको सेक्स के लिए इनवाइट नहीं करेंगे. आप उससे जाएंगे, बात करेंगे, फिर देन यू कम अप विद यू टॉक टू ईच अदर वगैरह वगैरह हो जाता है. देन यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन समथिंग, देन शी इज़ ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टेड इन थिंग. देन आपकी अलग मुलाकात होती है, फिर अलग मुलाकात में आपका इंटरेस्ट लेवल एक दूसरे के बीच और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. ओके, देन यू स्टार्टेड लाइक ईच अदर एंड माइट बी किस. ओके, चलो किस हो जाता है और शायद फोर प्ले भी हो जाए, बट नॉट मोर देन दैट. बट चौथी या पांचवी मीटिंग में तो ऑब्वियसली आपके साथ सेक्स होगा. ये रियलिटी में भी होता है. हाँ, ये होता है रियलिटी में, क्योंकि पहले मोमेंट में कोई भी इंसान किसी इंसान पर कूद नहीं जाता है. हाँ, अगर आप एक प्रॉस्टिट्यूट है तो ऑब्वियसली वहाँ पे आपका इट्स समथिंग रियली एक्सेप्शनल. ऑलराइट, गेट इट. तो so basically in this being a dick, the game, why I like basically is that कि why I choose this game, because of that ना. इस गेम में क्या है कि इस गेम में आपको एक कॉलेज लाइफ दिखाई जाती है. I never been into the college. I been into the college. I was in the diploma and I was been into the college. But वो कॉलेज की तरह फील नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज वहाँ पे कोई लड़के आते भी नहीं थे. बेसिकली वो कॉलेज एक तरह से बस बैकलॉग स्टूडेंट का एक कॉलेज था, जहाँ पे लोग सिर्फ डिग्री लेने के लिए कॉलेज में आते थे, दैट्स इट. ओके, तो वो कॉलेज था ही नहीं. ओके, आई वॉज एक्सपीरियंस जस्ट अ 2 year of college, 11, 12th. Okay, and then after that I never really experienced the college. So basically I always have higher priority to understand the college में क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. So basically it's kind of like something really good. I always like the college thing movie. Okay, तो उस पर एक गेम है अभी उसमें. आई लाइक द कॉलेज. फिर उस पर कॉलेज के साथ एक बंदा है जो 21 साल का है, वो कॉलेज में जाता है. फिर उसके साथ वो लड़कियों के साथ सेक्स भी करता है, और एक नहीं करीब मल्टीपल लड़कियों के साथ सेक्स करता है. ओके, और उसके साथ स्टोरी भी है डूड. इट जस्ट नॉट लाइक दैट कि हाँ चलो एक के बाद एक. नो 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 नो, ही वॉज गोइंग थ्रू एवरी स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, और आप उस स्टोरी से लिंक हो जाते हो और आप कनेक्टेड हो जाते हो, एंड देन यू आर कांट कंट्रोल योर सेल्फ टू दैट की प्ले दिस गेम. ओके, उस गेम में प्ले नहीं कर सकते. ओके, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली स्लाइड शो. यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लिक इट, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, read the dialogue, next click, read the dialogue, next click, read the dialogue, it's a kind of like that. Okay, so it's not even kind of like a game, it's just kind of like something really PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Okay, but it's in very good way. So so yesterday I can't even control myself. Okay, day before yesterday I couldn't sleep. I decided that let's just play this game. Fuck it, ख़त्म करते. क्योंकि मेरा एटीट्यूड कैसा है ना डूड, इट जस्ट लाइक दैट कि व्हेन आई स्टक समथिंग कि हाँ चल ये चीज़ मुझे पसंद आ गई है, तो लाइक इट्स जस्ट लाइक आई कांट कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ. हाँ, ओके, उसको ख़त्म ही कर देते ना डूड. ओके, लाइक इट हैपन मल्टीपल टाइम्स. लाइक बेसिकली ये चीज़ होती है टीवी वेब सीरीज़ के बारे में. ओके, जब भी मुझे कोई वेब सीरीज़ पसंद आती है, एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग द फर्स्ट एपिसोड, सेकंड एपिसोड, थर्ड एपिसोड, एंड स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग दिस ऑल दोस थिंग्स, तो मैं उसी दिन ख़त्म करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे उस चीज़ को नेक्स्ट डे रिपीट नहीं करना, या नेक्स्ट डे तक मुझे खींचना नहीं है. ओके, इफ़ आई वांटेड टू लाइक आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू वेट. जस्ट लाइक वो, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, हर वीडियोज़ या हर वेब सीरीज़ या मूवीज़ आपको क्लिफ हैंगर में छोड़ के जाते हैं. फिर आप यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट कि हाँ चलो क्या हुआ, कैसा हुआ, वगैरह वगैरह, और उससे आपका जो दूसरा काम है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. तो इट्स बेटर टू दैट कि ख़त्म कर देते हैं. तो दिस इज़ माई एटीट्यूड. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि चलो अभी ये गेम ख़त्म कर देते हैं. ओके, नाउ और नेवर, लाइक बेसिकली आई वाज सो हॉर्नी एंड जस्ट लाइक कल का दिन मीन्स लाइक 2 सितंबर 2023 आई डिसाइडेड दैट कि ये दिन शायद मेरी ज़िंदगी का सबसे गंदा दिन होगा. क्योंकि वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि यस्टरडे आई मैस्टरबेट 3 टाइम. या 3 बार मैंने मैस्टरबेट किया यस्टरडे. या it was what is the experience. Yeah, I was feel really tired. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा tired feel हो रहा हूँ. Okay, I didn't have really any effort to do anything. Okay, मैंने कल मैस्टरबेट किया लेकिन आज भी मैं काफ़ी टायर्ड फील कर रहा हूँ. आई नेवर वेंट टू द वर्कआउट टुडे. ओके, इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक इवन वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वॉक ऑन रूफ टॉप. ओके, या सुबह उठ के मैंने वो WHO वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, नो ORS. ओके, ORS is a kind of like a glucose. I took the glucose for some sort of energy. I drink milk. I ate food. Okay, lot of things. I ate food, water. Okay, पानी बहुत ज़्यादा पिया मैंने. Okay, but still it's really not good because of that कि I can feel that मेरा ग्लो भी, मेरे चेहरे का ग्लो भी कम हो गया. I feel little bit of dark. Okay, why all those things? Because of that कि I masturbate 3 times. और दूसरी चीज़ कि मैंने वो गेम खेला. Okay, that is a porn game, being a dick. Okay, I am completely regret of all those things. मैं जानता था कि मैं इस दिन को हमेशा रिग्रेट करूँगा, बट मुझे करना ही है. लाइक बेसिकली समहाउ, लाइक बेसिकली व्हाट इज एट लीस्ट दिस थिंग. अगर मैं इसको अगर मैं मैस्टरबेट कर भी दिया, ओके, मैस्टरबेशन कितना रोक पाऊंगा मैं? 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, 3 घंटा. मैंने मैक्स टू मैक्स 5 घंटे तक इसको होल्ड किया. 5 घंटे के बाद आई कांट होल्ड इट, इट रिलीज. ओके, चलो रिलीज हो गया, बट माई गेम इज स्टिल रिमेनिंग ना. मेरा गेम करीब 12 या कितना घंटे का था. आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग दिस गेम एट मॉर्निंग एट almost like a 5 a.m. I never really went to sleep. Day before yesterday, I didn't really sleep. Okay, I sleep for almost like a 2-3 hour. Okay, then yesterday, I was non-stop playing this game. Non-stop. I couldn't stop myself. Just like after the masturbation, I feel a little bit tired, so I went to the sleep for 1 and 2 hours. Then I also started playing this game. I couldn't. I just couldn't. I just don't want to stop. Just like I just wanted to keep going, keep continue. Just like मुझे अगला दिन बर्बाद नहीं करना है. I just imagine that कि हाँ चलो करना है, खत्म. So this game took me almost like 11 to 12 hours to complete. Okay, and I masturbate 3 times yesterday, and it's not good, really not that good. Okay, so what is exactly the output that you get from the yesterday what you did? The output, I didn't really get anything. I just like basically the horny thing that I have, I release those things, but it will came, and it will came even more harder. Okay, like basically let me tell you one thing, porn एक एडिक्शन है dude. ओके, अगर आप जितना ज़्यादा नज़दीक जाओगे ना, आपको उतना ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेगी, एंड यू आर स्टिल वांटेड टू डू थिंग्स इवन मोर. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? आई डू अंडरस्टैंड. देन हाउ डू यू प्रोसीड विद दिस थिंग? आई प्रोसीड दैट कि मैं खुद को कंट्रोल करूँगा. हाउ? लास्ट टाइम आई प्ले दिस पॉर्न गेम, एग्जैक्टली सेम गेम दैट आई प्ले यस लास्ट ईयर. After that, like I was actually masturbating for non-stop 5 days. Okay, and then I realized that it's not really worth it, so I just control myself कि नहीं करना मुझे. So I hold myself for almost like a 19 days. या 19 days तक मैंने hold किया था. I never really, and then I started doing. तो मेरा gap भी बढ़ गया था. Like from that day, my masturbation gaps before that, before my masturbation gap was 4 to 5 days, but after last year, after that, my masturbation gap is 7 days. Okay, so basically from my past judgment I realized that कि this is the kind of like a thing, तो मुझे ऐसा ही करना है. मतलब like right now I am focusing on 21 days challenge. Okay, it started from today, 3rd of August. It's a first day. So I will not do anything. Okay, ऑब्वियसली मैं कल 3 बजे मैस्टरबेट किया है, 3 बार मैस्टरबेट किया है, सो ऑब्वियसली आई वोंट बी डू एनीथिंग, बट I have to control all those things till August 24. Yeah, I don't have to do anything any at all. Okay, कुछ भी नहीं करना है, नहीं पॉन देखना है, मतलब नहीं पॉन देखना है. ओके, पॉन नहीं देखना है एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू कंट्रोल. डूड यार, कंट्रोल तो करना ही पड़ेगा. हाँ, तेरे को एड ब्लॉकर लगाना पड़ेगा. लाइक बेसिकली ना क्या होता है कि जब भी तू हॉर्नी फील हो जाता है ना, इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली इजी टू डू बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि यू जस्ट हैव टू गो टू द क्रोम इनकॉग्निटो मोड, सर्च अबाउट एक्स hamster एंड देन यू नो व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस. बट डूड यार, अगर तू वो DNS सर्वर चेंज करेगा ना तो इट विल बी रियली मच बेटर. या राइट नो आई विल डू दैट. वेट, go to the setting. I already saved the DNS server ना. क्या है DNS? DNS ही नाम है ना इसका. है DNS सर्वर, प्राइवेट DNS, सॉरी, प्राइवेट DNS प्रोवाइडर, अडल्ट फिल्टर सेव. ऑल राइट, प्राइवेट DNS ऑन कर दिया. सो इवन इफ आई स्विच टू द एनी नेटवर्क, आई हैव टू नेटवर्क, जियो एंड वोडाफोन. जियो पे तो ऑलरेडी आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि जियो ऑलरेडी फिल्टर नेटवर्क है, वहाँ पे आप अडल्ट कंटेंट देख ही नहीं पाते हो. ओके, इवन इफ यू यूज VPN और नॉट, दे डोंट रियली प्रोवाइड यू एनीथिंग एट ऑल. Geo. Another thing is Vodafone is not that filter, but I manually put the filter. Okay, but I can easily, but I will not do those things. Okay. What about the desktop? Okay, desktop पे usually मैं ज़्यादा नहीं, but still I have to use some sort of adult filter content. Yeah, they have so many extension on the Google Chrome, so I will do that. Okay, but important, that is kind of like something real ना, वो external चीज़ें होती है. Important thing ना तुझे खुद के अंदर से, the fight is between you and you. Okay, चीज़ें ये you don't have to fight with the this pawn thing. No, you have to fight with the own thing. Okay, जब भी you have to feel little bit of horny, you have to control yourself. And how do I control yourself? Is that कि go somewhere, go with the family. Okay, family में काफ़ी uncomfortable feel होगा, but dude, this is the process, this is the thing. Or maybe just try to control yourself. All right. I don't know, like basically ना मैं हर बार ऐसा करता हूँ ना, हर बार मैं हार जाता हूँ, but you still have to do it. Okay, you just have to maintain the gap. 7 days, 21 days तो तेरे को नहीं करना है यार. All right, I don't know how it work, but I will try my best. All right, so yesterday it was one of the horrible day that I did. Yeah. What about today? So today I wake up very late. Yesterday I complete this game at 3:30 a.m. I went to the sleep at 4 a.m. I wake up at 10:30 a.m. Okay, when I wake up, I just brush my teeth, shower, take a breakfast, and I was actually wanted to play this City Skyline, so I just directly jumped into the game and started playing this game, and it took me almost like 3 to 4 hours of recording. Right now the file is encoding the data and the video footage is also encoding, so maybe it will take time. Okay, but editing will be start by tomorrow. Okay, and yeah, I don't know what will happen, but I will try my best. Okay, after this artifact episode I don't have to do anything. Okay, I just have to sleep. Okay, that is a really essential thing to do because sleep is really essential, so go and sleep. Okay, go and sleep. Okay, that is really essential. Okay, and take phone with you and just go and sleep, dude. Okay, at 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. just go and sleep. Okay, sleep is really essential because last 2-3 days you haven't really sleep that well, so, and it actually affect on your productivity, it actually affect on everything. Okay, so do that. All right, this is it, this is the end. Thank you.